It's day 3, Mexico. Again, beautiful day. Take a look. Oh, there's Melly out there looking at the water already. Starting off the day, going to the Whitey market, and then figuring out what's there after that. Oh, Melly thinks she saw the 3-legged dog, I think, so we might have to go check that out right now. Let's see what's going on. 3-legged doggy. The doggies. Oh, poor 3-legged doggy. Wow, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dogs. I think they got another dog. 5 dogs. Alright, bedtime. Melly thinks that there's a charger plugged in. And I don't, she thinks it's not plugged in. I think it's plugged in. Did it fall out? No, it's still there. Right there. Right there. Right there. You see this white thing?
Where?
Right here. It's okay, it doesn't matter.
What do you mean? How is that a charger?
What do you mean? It's a charger!
Yeah, okay, but I looked at your phone. I didn't know if that was connected into anything.
No, that was when I was charging your dad's headphones.
Okay, but I didn't look. Fuck you.
Hey!
Okay.
Yeah. 2 to 1 now.
Can you?
Bets, 2 to 1.
Yes!
Is there going to be market?
Yes.
Yes? I think so. I'm pretty sure it was Sundays.
I'm pretty sure it was Sunday too, so we're going to find out.
Alright. Let's go on this adventure and find out. First glance it doesn't look good, but that's never the final say in everything. I don't see anything set up. Fuck. Well, it's a no-go on the Whitey market. The Whiteys went to fucking hibernation or something, or went home, something like that. Well, Frank the Tank was right. No fucking Whitey market today. What the fuck happened? Old dark hallway.
Imagine if these were all open.
I know. We'll have to come back then if it. A little flea market in the store, in like a building.
Oh, that's pretty. Well, it's a bathing suit.
Oh wow, there you go. Get her done. So Mel and I just went for a walk on the Malecon. Got me a couple Corona shirts. Just in this bag. It's just get them out. So they look pretty sick. 2 of them for like less than 20 bucks. It's pretty awesome. Now we're taking the folks to Chunky Monkey Restaurant. It's a funny name, so we've always wanted to go there. Here we go. Cheeky Monkey. Let's go to Cheeky Monkey upstairs. Really, a Sunday special. It's time to have fun. You can go there or up. Oh, no smoking's on this floor. Okay.